Justin Bieber got a brand new tattoo. However, he didn't do it in a boring old tattoo parlor. He got it 40,000 feet in the air. Hey guys, Zach Holt here. Justin Bieber got a new tattoo on his hip that says forgive. However, he did it on his private jet on the way from Panama all the way to Canada. He got a Bang Bang, who's a very, very famous New York tattoo artist. He's done Selena Gomez's tattoos, he's done Katy Perry, Rob, the list goes on and on. So, he gets on this flight. This is days after his arrest in Miami. He gets on the flight, says he wants his tattoo. They start going through major turbulence while he's doing this tattoo. But they push through. If you look at the forgive, the F looks pretty damn clear. And then after that, I think that's when they hit the turbulence, because it starts to look a little fuzzy at some points. Either way, they push through. Bang Bang actually believes this might be the Guinness Book World Record highest tattoo ever done, altitude-wise, by the way. After the tattoo was done, Justin ended up texting Bang Bang to tell him the significance behind the tattoo, and apparently it means forgiveness is powerful. Forgive as Jesus died on the cross to forgive our sins. So there you go, that's the meaning behind it. We did check in with the FAA. There is no restrictions into tattooing someone that high in the air, as long as it doesn't jeopardize the flight or anything, or anyone's safety on there. You're good to tattoo away. So congrats, Justin, on your new tattoo. I don't want any celebrity, any musician, no one needs to be spitting water. I think it's gross. And you gotta realize, Molly's been doing a lot of things during this concert tour. I think she's just trying to gross people out.